Okay, it's Scott with Mr. Water back with you. Here is the finished product after I took that Culligan system out and put the EcoSoft 48,000 grain electronic demand system in. That's what you got right there. Nice high quality water softener, post filter which is carbon, pre-filter which is just a sediment pre-filter, and I went ahead and repiped everything from the well tank. Turned out real good. Here's the old system sitting over here in the corner. What I wanted to show you is I said something to the owner about this as to why these systems. I want to show you a way right here. This right here. What you got here is non-standard threads on a Culligan tank. Right here, these are squared off threads, and you cannot put another valve on this. You have to throw this tank away even though it's not leaking. It looks to be in pretty good shape. You know, if there's nothing wrong with the tank, the moving parts, the water softener tank is usually, the valve is what wears out. You can typically, on a lot of systems, just replace the valve and keep the tank. You can't do that on this system. So anyhow, that's a quick video. A little more information for you so you can make a decision of what you want to do. It's Scott Handy again with Mr. Water LLC in Hagerstown, Maryland, and thanks for watching this video.